Actually, this is a fiber switch, okay? Actually, which means like not Ethernet module added, it's completely fiber modules, okay? Like Ethernet when you have like 32, 48 ports in Ethernet. Here, this one is for fiber we have made, okay? And fiber is not directly connected, it's going through the SFPs. You can have a look at this, right? And even on fiber cable itself, you can find out the namings. Here it shows MM means it's multi-mode. Okay. Another type is there single mode. These are main things whenever you need to deal with fiber, you need to have an idea about this. Single mode fiber and multi-mode fiber and single mode SFP, multi-mode SFP. I'll tell you what these are. Okay. So when you take a SFP, this is the one. Okay. Actually, your fiber cable will go inside this area. Okay. And this clip you can see, if you pull it out upward direction, you can remove the SFP from your switch. Okay. And you will plug the SFP in, fit it inside the switch, SFP module, and then you can add your fiber cable inside it. Okay. And when you are choosing a SFP, you can note down here. There are some numbers shown, which I'm pointing out. Okay. GLC, LH, SMD. Okay. So whenever you found a SFP, you just put this number and search Google it. Okay. So generally we are doing like that. Okay. It's a common practice. So single mode means it will show like SN and or SR short range, and multi-mode it will show like MMO or long range LM. Okay, so better to search this number and figure out what are these. Okay, and the reason why I'm talking about short range and long range is very important one. Okay, the thing is, whenever you connect your first floor, let's say you are in a five-story building, your office is like a five-story building, and you are connecting uh, your data center to the second floor switch. Okay, from networks. Let's say in second floor network hub room, the fiber connection is going to the third floor data center. Okay, so it won't be a long, lengthy. Right? Let's say floor to floor is not that much like 200, 300 meters. Okay, so whenever you have a short range, like let's say less than 200 or 300 meters, at that time you are just simply using, you can use a multi-mode fiber and a multi-mode SFP. Okay, where I'm saying is single mode is used mainly for long range. Okay, so let's say your building is there, your office is there in one place, and another branch is there in like in let's say more than 300 meters. You are having another branch. You just wanted to connect the fiber connection. You just wanted, it's like let's say this building to building. Okay, so if it is more than 300 meters, at that time we are using a long range fiber module and a connect SFP. Okay, for long range transmission, you need to use single mode fiber. Okay, not multi mode. Okay, if you use multi mode, it won't fit in, and in your switch when you start it, it won't it won't detect the connectivity. You can figure it out. The switch mainly whenever you use fiber connection, we use it to up the switch, which means like as a uplink we are using fibers. Okay, so when you once you connect it, you won't see any connectivity layer if you mess up with the fiber connection like single mode and multi. Okay, I hope you understand the point. So when in same building, like very closer area, you can use multi-mode fiber, both the cable and the SFP. Okay, when you need to connect two areas which is very far, like more than 300 meters, you can go for single mode fiber and single mode SFP. Okay, and also I'll tell you. We had a task earlier, like connecting with merging two of our buildings together. So let's say we had a main office and a branch little bit near in the same compound, but it's a little bit far, more than like 300 meters, because the new building is like uh, 1820 floors. So actually it happened. So the thing is, when we gave contract for the building to building transmission, the contractor's task is to lay fiber throughout the floor. Okay. So from your building, you will get the connection, and the main fiber transmission from this building to the next building is going through the floor, and they will do that task. Okay. The issue happened is we planned, because of the this single mode and multi mode stuff, we planned is too far, so we just go through single mode fiber and single mode SFP. But the thing what happened is that, so the contractors have laid in a different manner, which is like supporting multi mode. So we couldn't add single mode. So we recalled, and luckily they didn't complete the task. So we just arrange the necessary stuff and be informed, and they just made it work for us in a single module. Okay, so I'm telling these things because I just don't want you all to have the same issue. Just learn from the mistakes. That's all.